po sila. Without them, we are not here today. We must respect our parents. Ika po, 90 years old, right here. 90 years old. Wow. This is 84. 84. Dito pataasan ng edad, ano? Dito naman ang taon.
87 and a half.
87 and a half. Wow.
63.
Wow, batang-bata.
84.
84. Ang lalakas nila, hindi ba? Para bang 25. Pag sinabing 25, ito, 84. Ganun palang buhay. Alright?
64.
Very young.
39.
And of course, the youngest here is
59.
10 years old. Alright. So, Bernie, nice. 2 linggo itong pinaghandaan. Ang palakpak naman dapat masigaw. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge Renee over there, who is a professor of music. She plays the piano wonderfully. Meron siya exhibition mamaya. Later on, she'll play some more beautiful music by Hollywood Piano with Dan Manuel. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so honored and of course very delighted to present to you the Bernie Gannon Dancers today, live at the Los Angeles Convention Center during the 27th Philippine-American Expo. Take it away, ladies.